Isa pong short film na gawa ng isang Pilipina ang itatampok sa Fantasia Festival sa Montreal. Tungkol saan nga ba ang pelikulang ito at paano ito mapapanood? Narito ang report. Ilan lamang ito sa mga eksenang mapapanood sa all-Filipino cast na short film na may titulong Absolved. Ang half-Filipina-Canadian filmmaker na si Malindi Asuncion Kinderchuk ang writer at director.
It's a family drama, but it really has an allegory towards the Japanese occupation, colonialism, and Catholicism. So we see this trauma take place in the family, but it's really a reflection of colonial horrors and Catholicism.
1970s nang mag-migrate ang pamilya ni Asuncion sa Canada. Hindi man lumaki sa Pilipinas, ang bahaging ito ng kasaysayan ng mga Pilipino sa panahon ng Hapon ay kanya-anyang natutunan sa kanyang lola.
She would tell me bedtime stories about her experiences with the Japanese occupation. My grandparents lost a lot during that time. My grandfather's father was taken away and he was killed in those prisons that were by the shore.
Si Asuncion ay half-Ukrainian din at tulad ng Pilipinas noon, nasa digmaan din ngayon ang lahi ng kanyang ama na laban naman sa Russia.
We have the war going on there, and with what's going on in Gaza, the first thing that my mother said to me was, oh, those children in Gaza, it's going to take generations for that pain. That pain is going to last generations. And this is something that I saw with my grandmother.
Ang mga karanasang ito sa digmaan ng dalawang kultura ng kanyang buhay ang nagsilbian niyang inspirasyon ng pelikulang Absolved.
These types of wartime traumas are not things that just go away like that. They are deep wounds that affect across generations, and I wanted to make a film that shows that.
Tinakda ang world premiere ng pelikulang Absolved kasabay ng Fantasia Festival. Mapapanood ito sa 3 ng Agosto, Linggo, 3:30 ng hapon sa Cinema du Musée sa Montreal.
I want the audience to be able to reflect on the challenges that their parents and their grandparents went to and how it might affect them today. We live in very different worlds than our grandparents lived in, and sometimes it can be hard to understand that frame of mind and to relate, and I'm hoping it will bring generations closer together.
Ilan pa sa mga nagawang pelikula ni Asuncion ay naitampok na rin sa iba pang International Film Festival. Naging Best Screenplay ang kanyang pelikulang The Garden sa Mallorca International noong 2021 at naging semi-finalist ang kanyang ginawang Unearthed CTN sa Golden Screenplay Competition noong 2022. Kaya inaasahan na ang Absolved ay isa na namang kalidad na pelikula mula sa Pinay Canadian.